This unusual device solves a very specific but important task. It helps you wind your hoses neatly. Up to 200 feet of hose can be reeled in, and the winding speed can be adjusted up to 4 miles per hour thanks to the powerful electric motor. The unit is battery-powered and has enough charge to reel up to 1,500 feet. The manufacturer notes that both winding and removing the hose is very easy. In addition, the device allows less stretching, which positively affects the service life of your hoses. The device weighs 58 pounds and is equipped with wheels for convenience. This compact Japanese sweeper will come in handy in a variety of locations, from apartments to construction sites. Thanks to the height adjustment and 2 universal brushes, it can remove not only dust, but also wood chips, soda cans, pine cones, and other large debris. The machine runs on battery power. One charge is enough for 200 minutes. The capacity of the waste container is 4.5 gallons, and it's made of transparent material for convenience. Thanks to its 1.7-foot width and folding handles, it'll take up very little space as well. This small box is actually a professional tool that allows you to find hidden wiring in walls, as well as metal and wooden studs. You don't need to set up and calibrate the device to use it either, just turn it on and press it against the wall. The stud finder is powered by 2 AAA batteries. Thanks to the 9 built-in sensors, the maximum depth of detection is 1.5 inches. In addition, the manufacturer replaced the screen with a system of 15 LEDs. Thus, the information is displayed more clearly and accurately. For example, you can see both the edges and the center of the stud, and if the device detects a live wire, the lightning bolt warning icon will light up. How difficult it is sometimes to carefully fasten and cut masking tape. You can often leave unprotected areas of the surface that get dirty instantly with paint, varnish, foam, and other substances. In addition, when trying to cut the tape, you can accidentally scratch the surface as well as your own hands. This tool comes in handy for one-handed application, alignment, and cutting of the tape. According to the manufacturer, it allows you to glue the tape 5 times faster and is much safer because there's almost no risk of cutting yourself. The tool comes with a handy spatula to add the finishing touches to the corners and a storage case. This folding post level is useful in a variety of applications, from roadwork to building construction. It weighs 0.5 pounds and easily attaches to metal surfaces with 4 powerful magnets. A removable elastic strap is provided for fixation on wood, plastic, and other materials. The level click locks every 15 degrees. The construction is easy to fold in half or to unfold flat. The vials are made of impact-resistant polyacrylic, which, combined with a sturdy body, increases the reliability of the tool. The manufacturer also offers a similar mini model weighing only 0.11 pounds. Why buy 27 different wrenches when one is enough? This product will make your tool bag or toolbox much lighter without sacrificing any of its capabilities. The model is equipped with 2 heads. The reversible ratchets make it more convenient and easier to use. The heads are equipped with adjustment rings that allow you to quickly set the desired size. The total adjustment range is 0.4 to 1 inch. The wrench has a life of 25,000 work cycles and weighs about 2.2 pounds. It's made of steel and has a plastic cover for a comfortable grip. With this wrench, you could feel like an inventor of the Tony Stark level. The creators of this chalk reel describe it as the newest revolutionary product. One of its secrets is the Kevlar line, which is 20 times stronger than a conventional line. It's 100 feet long and easy to use thanks to its built-in locking mechanism. The creators of the reel also offer a new hook design. It's compact, but provides a reliable grip and doesn't slip. The tool is made of aluminium, and thanks to its 6:1 gear ratio, you can reel the line quickly and safely. And the ergonomic shape ensures comfortable work for a long time. This is the perfect sanding accessory for your shop, according to the developers of this set. It includes 5 items and will be useful to everyone who's involved in woodwork, such as furniture restoration. In addition, the manufacturer notes that you can also sand other materials, such as copper. The main feature of the set is the ability to quickly adapt to different shapes of surfaces to be sanded. Special interchangeable accessories help to sand furniture legs, baseboards, ornamental panels, and other objects that are difficult to work with. The available accessories are suitable for working with a 5-inch sanding disc, and the mounting system provides a secure hold and ensures that the disc will not slip. Next up is a next-generation multi-tool keychain. One of the models weighs just 0.04 pounds, while combining the power of 11 tools at once. The multi-tool comes in several sizes. The most compact one will easily fit in your pocket or can be used as a keychain. Setting up a tent, fixing a bicycle, opening bottles, and even removing the kettle from the fire. All of this will become much easier with this multi-tool. According to the manufacturer, the presence of each tool is the result of long market research, so the model is quite different from others produced by the company. The multi-tool will be of interest to fishermen, hunters, and tourists. Would you like to buy one? Want to see the world's smartest tape measure? It is on your screen. At least according to the developers from Korea. They claim that the familiar design has not changed for more than a century, and it's time to fix it. The tool allows you to measure almost everything thanks to 3 different modes. Also, the tape measure is able to record voice notes and send the measurement data to a mobile app. Instead of the usual tape, the tool is equipped with an electronic system capable of memorizing more than 100 measurements. You can charge the tape measure through a micro USB cable, and the battery lasts for about 8 hours of continuous work. You can quickly switch between millimeters, centimeters, inches, and feet, and if you aren't yet ready for new technology, you can make measurements with a special line. This tool will help you remove soft floor coverings like linoleum and carpeting quickly and efficiently. The model is pretty lightweight at 25 pounds, and its compact size allows you to work even in tight spaces. The speed of the tool reaches 5,800 RPM. Special blades provide flooring removal without deforming the floor. By the way, the set includes 7 different blades that are easy to change. They can be stored in a special case that also comes with the tool. And the detachable handle allows you to work without problems on stairs and in narrow corridors. Why not combine an ordinary garden wheelbarrow with a dump truck? That's exactly what German engineers were thinking about. And as a result, they created this mini machine. The model is powered by a 5.6 horsepower gasoline engine and carries loads up to 661.4 pounds. All-wheel drive guarantees traction, even on slippery and muddy ground. and the cargo bed tilts like in real dump trucks. There is even a reverse gear, and the model can move backwards at a speed of up to 1.2 miles per hour. The creators of the mini dump truck are confident that it'll be useful for gardeners and landscapers, as well as forestry professionals. As you know, getting under the car to repair is not an easy task, especially if the breakdown happened on the road. But if you have this platform, you can comfortably troubleshoot, repair and maintain your vehicle. The model can hold 396 pounds and is equipped with puncture-resistant 8-inch wheels. The manufacturer notes that it's comfortable to work not only with cars, but also with agricultural and other machinery. A big advantage of the platform is the wide headrest. In addition, a unique wheel arrangement allows you to spin on the spot, which helps you to reach the desired component without having to get out from under the car. The platform weighs 35 pounds. Now the question is, how do you not fall asleep on such a luxurious bed?
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.